Unlock viral YouTube Shorts instantly. The world of YouTube Shorts is booming, yet many creators struggle to capture attention in those crucial first few seconds. Low engagement can feel like a barrier, leaving great content unseen. Fortunately, AI is here to turn that challenge into an opportunity for viral success. Today, we explore 5 proven AI-powered techniques that will transform your YouTube Shorts into captivating experiences. First, focus on grabbing attention immediately. In the first 3 seconds, your opening hook must dazzle. With AI-generated hooks and compelling opening lines, you can set the stage for success. Imagine your content igniting instantly with energy and purpose, drawing viewers in from the very start. Second, amplify your video with trending sounds and effects. AI tools help discover the hottest audio trends aligned with your content. By integrating precisely selected tracks and sound effects, you can enhance the emotional impact of your shorts. The magic of batch sound editing means efficiency meets creativity, making your audio as dynamic as your visuals. Third, optimize your script and overall content using AI-driven editing. Refine your storyboard with punchy, concise dialogue that keeps your audience engaged until the end. AI tools assist in perfecting timing, scene selection, and captioning, enabling you to test multiple script versions rapidly. This method transforms uncertain ideas into a clear, compelling narrative. Fourth, elevate your visual branding with eye-catching thumbnails and overlays. AI design tools produce stunning graphics that make your videos stand out. Witness the transformation from ordinary to extraordinary as before and after comparisons display the power of smart visual optimization. These visuals not only attract clicks but also build a memorable brand identity. Finally, automate your uploads and analytics. AI scheduling ensures your shorts hit peak times, while automated metadata updates and precise analytics guide your content strategy. Analyzing performance with AI insights lets you adjust and grow continuously. Embrace these 5 AI strategies to overcome low engagement and unlock the full potential of your YouTube Shorts. Every technique is a step toward transforming challenges into viral triumphs. Ready to elevate your YouTube Shorts? Explore these AI tools and create content that captivates and grows your audience now. That is your path to viral success. Embrace innovation, trust the process, and let AI guide your creative journey every step of the way. Your future of viral content awaits. Seize this moment and transform your creative vision now.
I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Now check out this video right here, which is basically a free course for doing this. You will see exactly how.